So you want to live big but on a tiny budget. No problem, there are places on Earth where even the smallest amounts of money can buy you a lot. Here are 5 of the cheapest places to live in the world. Number 5. Malaysia. With less than $300 monthly price tag on a 1-bedroom apartment, you'll be sure to have plenty of cash to spend on whatever you like. If homesickness gets to you while in Malaysia, feel free to spend all of that extra cash at the country's largest shopping mall, Times Square Mall. With 15 floors, a hotel, a bowling alley and more than one Starbucks, it's almost as if you've never left home. Number 4. Albania. Albania isn't for the faint-hearted, but it is an option for those who are up for the challenge of a rough lifestyle. It has a reputation for being quite corrupt, but this European nation has tons to offer in the culinary and history departments. Even though living outside the city centre won't cost you much more than $200 a month in rent, Albania is only for the expats who are willing to toughen up and rough it out. Number 3. Nicaragua. Because prices are so low in Central America's largest country, you could easily upgrade your lifestyle by moving to Nicaragua. It will cost you less than $10 to get around on public transportation every month, and a gym membership will only cost you $30 a month. Since you'll be preoccupied with keeping yourself entertained, you might neglect your household chores. No worries though, for $60, maid service can swing through and clean up after you 3 times a week. Number 2. India. Home to one of the oldest civilizations, the invention of chess, and one of the 7 wonders of the world, India would make an excellent home for anyone seeking to be immersed in the wonders of Eastern history and religion. Not only can one live and eat for less than $400 a month, keeping yourself entertained by the sights and exploring the countless educational opportunities in India make it a valuable destination to reside in. Stay away from overpopulated cities though, the congestion won't be worth the extra funds in your bank account. Number 1. Nepal. Sandwiched between India and China, Nepal is a hub for cultural diversity and Eastern spirituality. If you finish school and want to use your gap year to find yourself, Nepal may be the country you need to experience. It is also a great place to live if you don't want to spend more than $20 on your internet bill every month. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more awesome daily lists of all things 5. This is All 5, and until next time, feed your mind.